Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to make the layout for the BTS quiz. First thing we're going to do is go into the main activity and we'll go click on the construct layout and change the background into a BTS sign or the main thing of what you think BTS is, so they have a basic feel of it. Then we'll put in a text view. We'll change the ID into title. We'll change it into title. And we're going to change the text view into BTS Quiz. After we do that, we're going to make the width full. And we'll make it 50 from the top. We'll change the text size into 40. Text color into black. And text background into the color light blue or cyan. After we do that, we're going to go into the split, go into the text view, and we'll write text alignment. Aligns the text into whatever you want, what position. I'm going to align the text into a center, where the text is right into the center. And we have to have a gravity for center horizontal. So text alignment center, which allows it to go center, and the gravity will help it go into the center. After that, we are going to write play on the bottom of the view. We'll use a button. And we'll connect it to both sides. And from the bottom as well. We're going to have it come 40 off of it. And we're going to make the text size 40 SP. Text color is black. And the button will say play. After we do that, we'll make the button 134 dp and 77 for the height. We'll have the same background color for the play button. And we'll put it in for the background. The ID for this will be called play, so we can know how we named it. Then we'll go into project, go into layout, and we're going to make a new layout called game. So this is our new layout, and when I make a new layout, I make a new class as well. So we're going to make a new class, and we'll call this game as well, but with a capital G. So this is game, and all we have to do is just copy the code right here and put it right here. And change main activity to game. But change activity main to the game activity and go into game and make the layout. We'll change the construct layout background, and I have this background for it. You can shape your phone to adjust for you, adjusting it for a pixel 2XL. And this is the BTS background we're going to use for the questions. We'll have a text view right here. And it's going to be blank. We'll then name this question. And we're going to make this color white. And we're making this 25 SP. So it's going to print out the question right here. We'll move this a little bit down so we can add another text view. And this text view is going to have what question you're on and how many you got right so far. This is going to go down 6. It's going to do the whole thing. And for the text, we'll write question. And correct. Okay, after we do that, we are going to make the text black. Text size 40 SP. You can make it a little bit bigger. Maybe like 35 SP or 40. Question we're going to put in the middle. So we're going to write text alignment. Text alignment. Center. And we're going to change the gravity into center horizontal. So this will make it into the center. We'll go back into the activity main and get the color for this one and place it for game. So we can change the background. This background is going to be blue, or the same color as we used for the main layout. That the question is not going to have a background. It's just going to be white, and it's a question that we'll move it a bit down from the question and correct. This is going to be 10 down. Now we're going to need 4 buttons. These buttons are each questions. Okay? And to make it easier for me, I'm going to name each button to answer 1. Answer 2. Answer 3. And answer 4. Okay, after we do that, we want to connect the first one to the bottom of the question, but bring it down 15. Okay, we want to connect both sides. Then we're going to connect the answer we'll connect answer 2 to answer 1. And we'll move it down by 15 as well. And connect to both sides so it can be in the middle. Answer 3 connected to the bottom of answer 2, do 15, and connect it to both sides so it can be center in the middle. And answer 4 will be 15 and connect it to both sides. Okay, now that we did that, we are going to make each one text size for the width to match it, and we are going to make each side by 10. So it's going to go from the right side and the left side away from 10. Okay. Now that we did that, we are going to make it 60 dp for the height. And we'll copy the background. And we'll paste it in all of the answers. We'll make the text blank and the background into the light blue. Finally, we'll have another button. This button will be more to the right side. 16 from the left, 28 from top. 28 will connect, the top constraint will connect to answer 4, and this right constraint will connect to the right side of the main activity, the instruct layout. In this text, it's going to be named next. The background is going to be the same. We'll make the text a bit bigger. Text color black. Text size 20. And we'll make this visibility, it's on the bottom, we'll make it invisible, meaning they have to answer the question for it to come up again. And we're changing the ID into next. So this is the layout we're using for the BTS quiz. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!